Welcome back, Bling Squad. Welcome back. As you can see, I'm going to be getting ready for bed. So join me in my nightly routine and also get a quick update for the new year. All right. So I am about to wash my face, brush my teeth, and get ready for bed. But as I said, I wanted to close out this Tip Tuesday, give you guys a little bit of an update, and also share a tip or two on this Tip Tuesday. So first up, I am going to get my new pore clarifying cleanser that I got in my FabFitFun box for this winter edition. I'm so excited about it. I've been using it and I actually really like it. So as I'm getting ready, let me turn the camera a little bit. As I'm getting ready, I told you guys I wanted to share a bit of a update with you all. So I've been thinking, you guys. I really have been thinking a lot lately. And I realized that I have put a lot of stress on myself this year, 2020. I'm so happy that I was able to find out recently that I possibly have a blood clotting disorder, which may be the cause of my multiple miscarriages. But once I found that out, it's like I went crazy trying to get pregnant so hard. And I really think I've stressed myself out from having extended, as in like 40-day cycles, to just feeling depressed and down. So for 2021, at least the first 2 months, January and February, I've decided to take a break, you guys. I figure I might as well take a break, give my body a rest, and just focus on being happy, being healthy. So as I said, I'm going to give myself a break for the first 2 months. That's January and February of 2021. And I'm just going to take the time to be happy, to be healthy, focus on getting back into my fitness journey because I kind of dropped off on that a little bit. And just do what I need to do for me. Now, that's not to say that if I get pregnant, I am going to be upset. That's not to say I'm going to start using birth control with my husband, because we all know I'm not. But I am going to take a break of charting my cycles every month and taking all these different supplements. I will still take my prenatals. I will continue to take my aspirin and things like that. But as far as doing extra stuff, nah, giving it a break. So I wanted to put that out into the atmosphere because, they said it's more so guaranteed that once you put something out, your goals, your wishes, your wants, you will actually be able to follow through with them versus saying you want to do something, maybe thinking it in your head. Not only am I going to put it out in the atmosphere, but I've already purchased a planner and I will be writing it down, because another thing that I've learned, especially as a growing business owner, is you write the vision and you make it plain. If you have goals and things that you would like to focus on, you want to write them down, because you're more guaranteed to actually follow a plan through if you write it down versus keeping it to yourself or even just saying it out loud. And as you guys see, I'm using my dry brush. Let me tell you something. This thing works wonders, okay? A little side note about this brush here. I had a little pimple. There it is right there. It was really white and big yesterday. Last night, I used my dry brush, and I used it this morning, and I am noticing such a difference. I've also noticed that my skin looks clearer. I do have to say, because it is bristles on this brush, you don't want to rub too hard and irritate yourself too much. But the bristle works, you guys. It does. Look at that beautiful skin, y'all. Look at that beautiful skin. So yeah, as I said, I just wanted to take you guys on my nightly routine so you guys see what I'm doing and just talk a little bit about plans for the future. Next up is my night cream by Mary Kay. Just about finished with it. That is my night cream. Get it all over my face. And then last but not least, my under eye cream. Puffiness and dark circles. I think it's hereditary. My mom seems to have them. My dad has them. My sisters have them. And now I have them. So I use an under eye cream. And then, of course, last but not least, I will brush and be off to bed. Maybe not right this minute, but eventually I will be off to bed. But this is basically my nightly routine that I just wanted to take you guys on while I shared my plans with you all. What are your plans for 2021? Have you set any goals for yourself? Maybe if you're a growing business owner, for your business, put it down below in the comments and let us all know. And as always, the journey continues. Thank you so much for following us. If you guys have not already, please be sure to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell so you know when we upload videos. Thank you. Mwah. Good night.